Every artist knows this feeling. You had a vision, you put in the work, and yet something feels off. That painting that just didn't click. You hide it away, frustrated and disappointed. But what if that failure is actually the beginning of something incredible? Today, I'm going to show you how to take an abandoned painting and turn it into your next masterpiece. And along the way, we're going to talk about something bigger, about second chances, creativity, and why nothing in art or life is ever truly wasted. Alright, let's be real. This painting started with so much promise. I imagined a vivid landscape, a fly fisherman at a water's edge, the perfect moment captured. I laid down my underpainting with warm tones to build depth. I was excited as the painting was going so well. But as I kept going, something just didn't work. The composition felt off. The action looked forced. I adjusted, tweaked, repainted, but no matter what, it lacked that spark. And so, like so many creative projects, it ended up here, forgotten in the corner. Sound familiar? Maybe you have a painting, a project, or even an idea you gave up on. But here is what changed for me. I realized, what if this wasn't a mistake? What if it was just a stepping stone to something better? What if instead of giving up on it, I could build on it? Here's the exciting part. Painting over an old piece is like life. You're not erasing the past, you're transforming it. Every mistake, every rough patch, it all becomes texture, depth, character. Instead of starting from scratch, I used the history of the painting to add depth. Those old layers, they peek through, creating an unexpected richness. The past is still part of the story, just in a new way. And here is the thing, when you push past that first failure, you open the door to something better. Art, like life, isn't about getting it perfect the first time, it's about willing to keep going. You ever feel like scraping everything and walking away? Maybe from a painting, a dream, or even a goal you set for yourself. Here's what I've learned. The breakthrough usually comes right after the struggle. The layers, the textures, the so-called mistakes, they give your work depth. And isn't that true in life too? Everything we go through adds to our story. The struggles don't erase our potential. They shape it. So next time you feel like giving up on your art, on a dream, on yourself even, remember this painting. Stay in the fight. Don't throw it away, but transform it. This piece taught me something powerful. A failed painting isn't failure. It's just unfinished. And sometimes, all it takes is a fresh perspective to bring it back to life. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe for more art tips, motivation, and second chances. And tell me in the comments, do you have a painting you want to rescue? Let's talk about it.